Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Leetcode 409 longest palindrome. This is the given string and we need to find out the maximum possible palindrome that can be constructed. So for that we'll first understand what is a palindrome. So if we read this word from left to right or right to left, all the alphabets will occur in the same order. So this word qualifies as a palindrome. So I hope you understood what is a palindrome. Now let us one by one count the number of alphabets that have occurred even number of times and odd number of times. So C occurs 4 times in this given string, D occurs 2 times, A occurs 3 times and B occurs only 1 time. So these are the odd occurrences of the characters. So now first let's arrange the characters which are occurring even number of times. So since C occurs 4 times, we distribute it in 2 C's on the left and 2 on the right. Similarly, D occurs 2 times, so one D will go on the left and other will be on the right. And finally, for A, since it occurs 3 times, so we have to subtract -1 from it, and then we are left with 2 A's. So one A will be on the left, one A will be on the right. And then finally, we are left with either A or B. So this is the maximum possible palindrome that can be formed from the given string. So let us calculate the number of characters in this palindrome. So here on the left we have 4 alphabets, on the right we have 4 characters, and then in the center we will have either A or B. So 9 is the maximum length of palindrome that can be created from the given string. Hope you understood the basics of palindrome. So we will use a hash map to figure out how we can actually program and come up with the solution. So here is the given string. This is the original string that is given in the Leetcode, and then we name the indexes from 0 to 7. Okay, so now here we initialize a hash map, and then one by one we start traversing the given string. One by one we take a look at the character and store it in key value form. So if we come across the same character again, we will increment its value by 1, which can be seen from here. So let us start. Like for the 0th index, it will insert it comes across for the first time, so value will be 1. Then it will move to the next character, which is B, that is at index 1. So since B is also occurring only once, so B will be inserted and its value will be 1. But however, when it comes across C, so if it traverses all the way up to 5th index, there are continuously 4 C's. So as a result, it will store at 5th index, it will store C comma 4. And for D, since it's occurring 2 times, so once it reaches 7th index, it will update the value of D as 2. So D comma 2. So now we have we have the count of number of occurrences of individual characters. Now it will be very straightforward for us to build the palindrome. So how can we build that? So again, the same logic. We will be dividing the number of occurrences by 2, and if the remainder is 0, then we can add its count value as it is for even number. So the answer for this will be, so 2 C's on the left, 2 C on the right, D will be 2, so D 1 left, 1 right, and then since both A and B are occurring only once, so either A or B can be inserted. So in this case I am inserting A, and now we can count the total number of length of this palindrome. So let's start counting for the same. So C will be 4, D will be 2, and A or B will be 1. So that's how from the code perspective, we'll check here if it's even, and if it's odd, then we'll make the odd flag as true. And we have to subtract whenever we come across. Remember that if you come across any odd value, then we have to subtract -1 and then proceed for the distribution. And then finally, in the final step, we'll need to add this +1 for the middle string, middle character. So I hope you are now able to visualize how the maximum palindrome can be formed for the given string. If you need to practice this on any compiler, then you can go to the code link which is given in the description below. Thanks for watching this video.